right, let's fix this bend right here. I use this common screwdriver, not the Phillips, and two spot, one here and one here. Okay, now open that jar just like this, and then I can reach over here. Yep. Okay. We're gonna use hair blower. Okay. Like I said before, you see how this is out? Yeah. And then put your hands underneath. And I use this piece of wood and push it. See how it looks now? Yeah, it's done. I'm gonna put it back this like before. That's all for today. Ta-da! It's done.